Hello guys, welcome to benzblog, and today is Friday. So now we're making some what we call um, sound meter tests. So this is by decibel. So this is or what we call or dB. So now I will show you what is our in this company doing the sound meter test for this generator, because this generator is their own design for the canopy. So we will try also what is the output for the noise, how noisy it is during zero load, 75% load, and 100% load. So we're taking the measurement for that in that amount of loads, because sometimes it will vary the noise for every types of load. For example, if it is 100% or at zero load. So let's try to get the amount of the noise for that, if we can if it is pass, or if it is still okay for the industrial or for the commercial cities. So now we are ready already. It is already connected and prepare. So we're just only, I think, start and adjust the voltage, and I will show you also the format where uh, we're going to what is that to route all the readings that we have. I will show you. Okay. So okay guys, this is our format for genset parameter tests, and we are doing here the sound level tests. Okay, so we are here our drawing for the generator. As you can see, we have the radiator, and we have here the engine side inside. So for example, we're going to start from the radiator side, the next, and on the side here, and we're just circling for that. So and the door side, and front side, and here is also in the uh, door side. Okay, so here is our level of percentage for the load, so where we can take uh, the sound level for that. So we have 0 and 75 and 100% for that. So by the way, the most important thing is, don't forget that before you start doing the level tests, make sure that you take first the ambient sound level, so you can take accurately your sound level output. Okay guys, let's start, and we go there to our generator. Okay, so guys, for the domestic use, for the generator is the acceptable level. The acceptable level for your the noise level of your generator, it should be around 85 to 90 decibel. So that is the acceptable measurement for your dB for the areas which is only for the domestic use only. Okay, so they have different categories for that one, for the commercial, for the industrial, for the silent area. So they have different categories for the dB measurements, so you can follow that one if it's very restricted area. So you have to modify your canopy in order to achieve that amount of noise. So let's go outside so we can start this sound meter tests, or the noise level tests, okay, to our generator. So okay, let's go. So now guys, don't forget to read first your ambient sound level so we can note it there. So for now we can see, so our going to note here that our ambient sound level is 52 decibel. We're going to start at zero load, so we can take by 3 meters now. We're going only by 3 meters from 0, 75 to 100. So we will take only by 3 meters the distance for our measuring the noise meter. And number 2, this is at number 3, this is number 5, this is number 6 at 3 meters, this is number 7 at 3 meters, this is number 8 measurement. So reading number 9 for 3 meters. So okay guys, we're going to put the load for 75%. So again, the same meter from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 measurement at 3 meters. So I will show you all of that. Okay, let's start.